Ladies and gentlemen, today we're looking at something truly special. A vehicle that doesn't just revisit history, but reinterprets it for 2026. What you're seeing here is the 2026 Volkswagen Transporter T1, a modern reimagining of one of the most iconic vans ever built. This design blends unmistakable classic DNA with contemporary craftsmanship, technology, and performance, creating a transporter that feels nostalgic yet undeniably modern. Let's take a closer look, starting from the front. At first glance, the front fascia is pure T1 heritage. The iconic split-panel nose instantly commands attention, highlighted by a large, polished Volkswagen emblem that sits proudly at the center, just like the original. The classic V-shaped design line is retained, but now sharpened with modern precision, and accented by subtle red pinstriping that adds a sporty, custom feel. Round headlights remain a key design signature, but here they've evolved into modern LED units, offering cleaner illumination while preserving the timeless circular shape. The chrome bumper elements feel premium and substantial, reinforcing the sense that this is not a nostalgic toy, but a fully realized, road-ready machine. Moving to the side, the Transporter T1 reveals its long, clean, uninterrupted silhouette. The body panels are smooth and minimalist, honoring the original van's simplicity, while the lowered stance and modern alloy wheels immediately signal performance intent. The black roof contrasts beautifully with the deep green body color, giving the van a contemporary two-tone appearance. Subtle red accent lines run along the beltline, visually elongating the body and adding motion even when the vehicle is standing still. The proportions remain faithful to the classic T1, but everything feels tighter, wider, and more planted. Exactly what you'd expect from a 2026 reinterpretation. At the rear, the Transporter balances retro styling with modern functionality. The wide rear glass, horizontal LED tail lamps, and clean tailgate design give it a refined, upscale appearance. Dual exhaust outlets hint at serious power underneath, while the Transporter badging is kept understated and elegant. The rear bumper design integrates modern safety and aerodynamic elements without disrupting the vintage character. Proof that this design respects the past without being trapped by it. Step inside, and the transformation is dramatic. The interior combines retro-inspired shapes with fully modern technology. The dashboard layout is clean and symmetrical, dominated by a digital instrument cluster and a wide central infotainment display. Ambient lighting subtly outlines the cabin, adding warmth and sophistication. The steering wheel carries modern Volkswagen design language, while the seating offers plush comfort, premium materials, and excellent space utilization, making this transporter as suitable for daily driving as it is for long road trips. This is a cabin designed not just for nostalgia lovers, but for modern drivers who expect comfort, connectivity, and refinement. While official specifications haven't been confirmed, a 2026 Transporter T1 would realistically be offered with a turbocharged petrol engine for classic driving feel, a plug-in hybrid option balancing performance and efficiency, a fully electric variant delivering silent torque and zero emissions. Power outputs are expected to range between 200 to 300 horsepower, depending on configuration, paired with advanced automatic transmissions and modern suspension systems for improved handling and ride comfort. Based on its premium positioning and bespoke design approach, the expected starting price would likely fall between $55,000 to $75,000 US, depending on drivetrain and trim level. As for availability, a model like this would most likely appear as a limited production concept or halo model, with a potential reveal window between late 2026 and early 2027. The 2026 Volkswagen Transporter T1 is more than a retro revival. It's a statement. It proves that iconic design can evolve without losing its soul, and that heritage, when treated with respect, can feel just as exciting in the future as it did decades ago. If you love classic cars reimagined for the modern era, this Transporter might just be one of the most emotionally compelling designs of 2026. Let us know what you think in the comments. Subscribe for more deep automotive design breakdowns, and we'll see you in the next one.